Happy Monday, July 20th, 2026, beautiful spiritual brothers and sisters. This is your Earthing Doctor. Also, Earthing Doctor, by the way, this is how it looked like, as you can see here. Also, author of upcoming New York Times best-selling book about increasing your mind span, titled How to Die of Nothing. The Glyphosate Guy. And lastly, Time Freedom, Dream Lifestyle, and Passive Residual Income While You Sleep as a Pro Network Marketing Coach. Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere and in my quote-unquote master bedroom, which is actually my walk-in closet. I do actually sleep in so I can have it be totally pitch black. Listen up, block up the next 10 minutes or less. This is part 4 to my DIY grounding setup with my earth stake rod. By the way, so I have, like I said in previous videos, I bought 2 of these 24-inch copper stake rods that comes with a 50-foot copper cable that's blue colored. And so because I'm on the 6th floor, I had to get 2 of these. So that was 100 feet. And what happens basically, sorry I don't have it, but actually I do. So this is the box that it came in, okay? I have no relation to this company. It's just some generic brand made in China. And since I only needed to use the 1 stake rod, this is the second box, okay? This is what it looks like. Just insert it into there, screw it in, and then stick it into the ground, okay? And then so at the other end of this, then it comes with a banana clip that you just plug into the end. And at the opposite end of the banana clip, the female end, it's got an alligator clip, as you see here, okay? So with this alligator clip, after you insert the banana plug into the copper stake rod, and then insert the stake rod into the earth, you're gonna have it dangling outside your window, or like for myself, my sliding door on my balcony. And then I had it previously on my 2 earthing products, my genuineearthing.com pillowcase, as well as my sleep pad. I also have this, I rigged up the setup where I'm using my ground therapy patches that you see here, okay? And this is genuineearthing.com products. As shown in the thumbnail, there's a systemic benefits of earthing, grounding. Be sure to look at that. It'll also be on my Earthing for Dummies resource guide, okay? So if you happen to place an order for the earthing.com for the ground therapy patches, it'll come in like a red package with, zipper. And I think it came with 3 packs of ground therapy patches, okay? And so usually some of their kits come with a splitter, so it doesn't, you can, have 2 products stuck into it. And since with my setup, I take off, put the alligator clip onto this outlet splitter. Okay, that way I've got 2 of the ground therapy patches, and I will stick that on various nights. I might, just put it on both of my temples, because I'm a traumatic brain injury survivor, and I know I've got some neuro or brain inflammation, okay? And then I will have some, great sleep, high sleep efficiency, although it might not be as many hours as I'd like. I'm definitely feeling restored, and I can actually function even as low as 6 hours of sleep. So this is just a short video. Hopefully this inspires you to do one of the highest ROI, or return on investment, of your time, money, and effort for wellness, sleep, biohacking, as well as longevity of all time. I don't think it costs more than $35 for each of those 2 kits, again, from Amazon. So, just over maybe $70. And as a token of my appreciation for you guys all being a loyal listener and or subscriber to my channel or channels, be sure to visit my Earthing. By the way, you should get a free copy of this Earthing book, co-authored by Clint Ober, the founder of Earthing.com. And by the way, earthing, also known as grounding or magnetism, or technically bioelectromagnetism. You can learn more on my 3-legged stool of quantum biology e-store, namely Light, Water, and Magnetism, taught by retired neurosurgeon Dr. Jack Kruse. Go to tinyurl.com/ the number 3, and then legged stool of quantum biology, so you can learn how to need to eat up to 66% or 2/3 less food when you max out on getting a ton of unfiltered, unpolarized sunlight, water, drinking high quality, lower deuterium, restructured, remineralized, high vibration water, also known as coherent water or even gelled water, plasma water, hexagonal water. All those are the same terms as far as I'm concerned. And then magnetism, like I mentioned, or earthing, okay? Go to, if that link doesn't work, by the way, you can also visit tinyurl.com/light, water, and magnetism store, okay? So T Tango, I, N as in Nancy, Y, url.com/light, water, magnetism store. By the way, I'm wearing these blue blockers that will also be on the light section of my newly launched Light, Water, Magnetism e-store. And be sure to get some of those through one of my more than, I think I have 2 or 3 partners listed on there. So if you have trouble accessing any of those documents or cloud storage, just leave me a voicemail at any of these numbers that you see here so that I can give you access. The primary one being that landline number, the 786-441-2727 number, okay? 786-441-2727, or the cell phone, although I do not text despite what it says there. Or my, if you're outside the country, my toll-free line at 1-800-250-8975, okay? 1-800-250-8975. And by the way, the reason this is going to my glyphosate and GMO guy Brighteon video channel is because the active ingredient in Roundup herbicide, and the world's most heavily sprayed herbicide on the planet, can get you stuck in, fight or flight mode, and earthing or grounding can assist with that. Be sure to visit my channel located at the bottom that you see there to get to the root cause of your health condition and or your child, parents, or even your pet's health challenge. That's tinyurl.com/GMO Guide channel, or you can and also visit my potentially health and life-saving e-guide titled Glyphosate Testing, Exposure Prevention, and Detoxing. Go to either the link you see there, tinyurl.com/detoxing Roundup, or tinyurl.com/avoid Roundup, or detox Roundup 101 should all work, okay? And I'll have all these links in the show notes below. And but that, going back to what I was saying about the earthing, I get some great natural and anti-inflammation support and more energy, possibly less brain fog. Just feeling more relaxed, activate your parasympathetic nervous system, maybe have better blood flow by not having your red blood cells clump so much, especially when you're using electronics, things like that, or very sedentary. Go to tinyurl.com/earthing store, and be sure to enter my discount code HOWTODIEOFNOTHING when you check out at earthing.com, okay? And that code is spelled HOWTODIEOFNOTHING. And you can learn more specifically about bioelectromagnetism, earthing, grounding at tinyurl.com/earthing101, okay? So as I wrap up this part 4 in my do-it-yourself grounding setup, let me know if any of you guys have actually done something like this and how it's benefited you, if you felt any benefits. And also, I want to announce something very exciting. I'm happy to announce that I made helped my very first person have greater sleep with probably one of the world's top 10, if not top 5, or even top 3 sleep promoting, immune boosting, biohacking, and longevity tools of all time. And that is the MagneticoSleep mattresses that Dr. Jack Kruse talks a lot about. By the way, if Dr. Jack Kruse is the first time you're hearing of his name, please be sure to binge watch him so you can learn how to have real health insurance, learn what over 90% of doctors don't even know about, and maybe even raise your IQ by 10 points or more, which is a lot, by the way. And that's spelled with a K, his last name, okay? Dr. Jack, Kruse. So I made my first set of someone. I'm going to get the details. I'll record a video going over that. But if you want to have some amazing sleep, this is my beat-up brochure for MagneticoSleep. It's a token of my appreciation, again, for you guys being a loyal listener and or subscriber. Be sure to enter my code, which is just Danny, D-A-N-N-Y, when you check out at MagneticoSleep.com. That's M as in Mary, AGNETICO, sleep.com. You can also visit my shortened 15% off affiliate link by visiting tinyurl.com/MagneticoSleep. I currently have their 10 gauss, which is their core model. I'm about to get their 20 gauss strength, single size at least, maybe if not double. That should be 2,900 for the queen size super sleep, or the doubles, I should say, and 2,150 for the single size. I highly recommend just starting off on the super sleep system, even if you're not over 55 years old, okay? Due to Earth's weakening magnetic fields and just having the best support, okay? If you happen to place an order for the MagneticoSleep with my code DANNY, or that is shortened affiliate link, be sure to forward me a copy of your order confirmation email so that I can ensure your order ships out ASAP. Send that on over to my primary email that all my Gmails forwards to, and that's the dct3@cornell.edu address there, okay? D Delta C Charlie T Tango the number 3@cornell.edu. You can also CC HOWTODIEOFNOTHING@gmail.com, just forwards to my Cornell address. If you'd like to be able to afford the MagneticoSleep, as always, be sure to study the financial and literacy and IQ increasing images and watch the videos on my How to Own Your Life document, a 3-step simple system, but not easy, so you can live the life of your dreams, stop trading precious time for money, build your own dreams versus somebody else's, have a business that you own instead of it owning you, and have leverage by possibly earning passive and or residual income while you sleep. Towards the bottom of this document, you'll see a list of more than a handful of part-time, home-based big business systems opportunities, okay? Go to either tinyurl.com/I want freedom now, or tinyurl.com/more hammock time, okay? That's more HAMMOCK time. If you happen to enroll on my team, just forward me a copy of order and enrollment confirmation email so that I can ensure you get off to a fast start. Anyways, thank you for your kind time and attention from this ghetto setup video recording here from the floor of my walk-in closet on the 6th floor of my South Florida condo. But just very, very excited. But anyways, I look forward to helping you guys also to introduce you to the wonderful world of magnetism earthing, if you're not already up to speed about that, or doing as much grounding and earthing as you can. A lot of us have underestimated the benefits, and definitely not woo-woo science. It's very, very, there's a lot of people you can go study. Don't hear from me. I'm not as eloquent, can't explain that. I just want to know if it works or not. I'm a simple guy. So you can go to earthinginstitute.net or .org. I forget what it is, but check that out, okay? Earthing Institute. Gaetan Chevalier is his name, I believe. Anyways, that's the wrap, guys. Thanks for your kind time and attention. And I look forward to helping my second person with the MagneticoSleep, as well as a lot of you guys with the earthing.com products. Stay tuned for the details about that MagneticoSleep sale. And I'll also let you know once I get a splitter for my DIY grounding stake rod setup, so I can have my entire condo with earthing products, like in my kitchen, my half bathroom, and my family/living room, and even on my balcony. Anyways, take care, everybody. Be well, and have a fantastic day, and a perfect circadian day, I should say. Be sure to visit that link. I'll have it in the description below for my Circadian Biology for Dummies, which is the foundation for both physical and mental health, and along with other goodies such as a video version of my Home of the Future new construction startup called Tesla Passive House, also known as Circadian Mito House. Circadian for short for Circadian Biology, Mito short for mitochondria, and that'll be the video version for that, to build America's safest, healthiest, and greenest homes of the future. That would make Ben Greenfield and even Dr. Paul Saladino down there in Costa Rica jealous, okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. Again, this is the Earthing Doctor, Danny Zen, out.